2 plus 2 equals 5, and again 2 plus 3 equals 5, and the product of 5 times 5 is 25. But this answer is completely wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. According to the PEMDAS rule, we first solve the expression inside the parentheses, where 2 plus 3 equals 5. The expression then becomes 2 plus 3 times 5. Next, it's time for multiplication, so 3 times 5 equals 15. Finally, 2 plus 15 equals 17. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.